Hello, everybody. It's extraordinarily grateful that I'm here and have a chance to share, because I'm sort of like a champagne bottle about to explode with my experiences from certificate 1, and now I'm also enrolled in certificate 2. And I'd like to pick up the theme where there was a question about paying attention to images outside of dreams, and what Carlo mentioned, that yes, you are going to pay attention to images outside of the dreams, and that's my experience too. That I found it impossible not to start paying attention to images outside of the dreams and actually do dream work with those images, even though they're not dreams. So my short version of my example is that last year our cat died, and we live in the woods. So, it's essential to have a cat because we get overrun by mice otherwise. And then I had a dream where a bobcat was visiting us from the woods. Bobcat was pregnant, right? There were other imagery in a dream that made me, and then as Steve mentioned it earlier, made me make a mask to relate to the dream. So that's already a piece of artwork, an image. And, I would just look at the mask and it sort of started to speak to me, to develop further. And then I would also participate in a couple of art therapy classes where I would make, a drawing or a paper tissue collage. And then again, you would look at this and say, well, who is visiting in this drawing? Who is visiting in the paper collage? And it's like some animal is visiting me, right, from the woods. So then I developed the ritual of leaving a little food and saying, hello, night friend, here's a little snacky for you. And I would do it every night. And again, I live in the woods, so for me, it's very common to see bears, foxes, raccoons, possums, all kind of wildlife. But the ritual, in fact, yielded me a cat that you can see in my virtual background right now. All right, so cat appears from the woods, just like the cat in my dream. And meanwhile, my wife has been trying to contact these adoption agencies to get us a cat. So I was even more successful getting a cat by following the dream, by finding images through the artwork that I've been producing, right? And that's essentially dream tending, because it really gives you perspective that it's all of it is a dream, and you can apply skill set, as Steve mentioned, to any situation pretty much, and treat it, in a similar fashion and get extraordinary results. So I'm forever grateful for joining the program. It really did change my life in that respect. So thank you.